Hi boys and girls, I hope we're all safe and well. Today I thought we'd have another look in our fridge to see what we could make. Now remember, if we're going to play this game, it's really important that you speak to an adult and make sure that they're happy with the ingredients that you're using and that they're safe, and also that they're washed. And the very last thing we need to do before we get started is giving our hands a good wash just to get rid of all those germs. So boys and girls, today's ingredients are green peppers, red strawberries, and we've also got some orange satsuma segments. So Thomas, I was wondering if you could tell us a wee bit more about the shapes of these ingredients.
Okay, so the peppers are rectangle shaped and they've got two long sides and two short sides. The strawberries is like a triangle shape, and the satsumas have like a crescent moon shape.
So Thomas, what do you think you'll make today with these ingredients?
A flower. Okay, so I need a stem first, so I'm gonna get two peppers there, and then some leaves up there, and I'm going to take some oranges and put them like that, and get another one like that. I'm going to get some strawberries for the petals there, and move it down a bit. And that's the flower.
Oh Thomas, that looks fantastic, well done.
Now I'm going to make a fish. So I need the scales there, so I'll have 3 there, and then 2, and then 1, and then I'm going to get the tail, and then the face. So and one more row there, and that's its mouth there, and then we've got a bit of broken pepper. I'll put that in there for the eye, and that's the fish.
Oh, well done Thomas, that looks delicious. Are you ready to eat it?
Yeah.
So boys and girls, if you were able to be creative at snack time, please let us know. Maybe you could send us a comment or a wee picture. We'd always love to see that. Okay, you take care. Bye bye.